You have a stubborn sunburn. You've been doing all possible things you can do to clear it up, but it's not going, like it came to stay. But now I have a recipe that can actually let it go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you like to know about, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Today is just a recipe to clear your sunburn. Yes, you have a stubborn sunburn. You've been doing all possible things you can do to clear it up, but it's not going, like it came to stay. But now I have a recipe that can actually let it go, like it's going to go this time around, no jokes. So I dropped a recipe the last time on this channel on how to make a sunburn cream, and some people were saying it didn't work for me, it was taking forever for me to see the results. This is advanced sunburn cream. This is more effective, but this has more products to be used. I think the last one I dropped was just 2 products or so, but this time is about 5 to 6 products you need to drop in this recipe. So the first thing you need among this recipe is your Carotone BSC. Yes, Carotone BSC, because Carotone BSC is anti-spot cream, so it works faster to clear sunburn, anything that deals with dark nails, dark stuff. So Carotone BSC is one of the best thing you can use to clear dark areas fast. So the first thing you need, like I said, is your Carotone BSC. Just one of it is okay. The next thing you'll be needing is your fair tube. You need your fair tube. You need 1 teaspoon of your fair tube. You need 1 teaspoon of your Olibat tube. You need 1 teaspoon of your kojic serum. Kojic serum is also a very good serum that if you have redness on your face, it's going to clear it up. So in order for this cream not to give you redness after clearing your sunburn, that is the reason why we are adding this kojic serum into this recipe. Then the next thing, the last thing you'll be needing is your glutathione vitamin C serum. Yes, glutathione with vitamin C, the serum, that is what you need. Then you add 1 teaspoon of this into your mixture. Then you mix very well. You mix this very well. After mixing very well, this is how you need to do it. You first add the Carotone BSC into a bowl. Do you understand? Then you go in with your tubes, that is the fair tube and the Olibat tube. You mix 1 teaspoon of that into the bowl as well. Then you go in with your serum, the kojic serum. Yes, the goji serum. Then you go in with your glutathione with vitamin C serum, 1 teaspoon of each. The goji serum you can add half tablespoon, because that we need more of it in order for your sunburn not to go. Then you start having redness on that part where you have cleared. You understand? So you need 1 half tablespoon of your goji serum. Then you mix together in a bowl. Then you can add a little preservative in order for this thing not to change color. You can add a little preservative to it, and you apply only on your sunburn area, because I know some people will get sunburn cream, then the next thing you're applying it all over your face. And see, do you want to go white, or do you want to cause other thing to your face? The product for sunburn is meant to be used only on the sunburn area. Those places when you feel like you have your sunburn is the area where you should be applying your sunburn cream. So once you have been able to mix this sunburn cream very well, you apply it only on the parts where you have your sunburn. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So somebody doesn't finish mixing this cream and applying it all over their face that this is also a face cream. It is not a face cream, it is a sunburn cream. And once you're able to clear your sunburn completely, you should discontinue and get a nice face cream for all your face and a sunscreen, because most of the time, like 90% of the sunburn is caused by the sun. So do always protect your face. I don't care if you're a dark skin, caramel skin, or chocolate skin. Always wear your sunscreen is very important, and people are still missing the fact that sunscreen is not just for fair ladies. They feel like you're the one that is protecting yourself from sun, you're the one that doesn't want to go dark. Aside from sunscreen, sun actually making you dark, it also cause a lot of damage on your skin. So no matter what skin shade you are, even if it's dark skin, caramel skin, you still need your sunscreen. So do not miss out on this. Once you're able to treat your sunburn, you should get a very mild good face cream alongside a sunscreen. I hope this video helps someone. So if you've watched my videos to this extent and you've actually gotten a value from it one way or the other, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. And for those that are my returning subscriber, that are my paddy, always here for me, thank you very much. Thank you. I love you so much, guys. I love you for keeping me here, for making me doing this. I love you guys a lot. Thank you. And for those that are seeing my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching my video. Bye. Peace out.